Hello and welcome to another unboxing. On YouTube, basically, I found there was a whole world of speed cubing, and there were different types of all those fancy variants of Rubik's Cube. And this one is supposed to be one of the flagship models. It's a GAN 356XS. It is basically a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but it is made by this company. It's not an official Rubik's product. Rubik's Cube, as you know, is named after the gentleman who made the original puzzle. So I've never seen it before, and I've never used it, and we are just going to see firsthand what is it actually about. Now, the price of this varies in different regions of the world, but this flagship costs substantially more than the original Rubik's Cube. So I will add a link in the description. So, minimal packaging, that's the registration card. That is the cube itself in a plastic box. And what is that? This is a tool, I think, for adjusting the different settings on the cube. This is a little pouch, your ultimate PB renewer. These are spare tiles, I believe. Now, what is that? So that's instructions for how to adjust the different settings. It has magnets in it, so strong, medium, and light based on the position. There is a GAN dual precision system, GES Pro, tension control, and instructions how to tweak all these settings. Center cap for GAN robot. Okay, so there must be a robot. Automatic cube solvers. We'll just put them in place. This is, you need to hold on to this stuff. How do you? Okay. So that's the cube itself with a nice matte plasticky feel to it. Nice. It's lightweight. The magnets here, you can see there are magnets there in the medium position, and there's the sound it makes. So let's see, let's make that. I'm just a beginner, so I don't know. And there is a flexibility, so that allows for faster movements. Nice. So I will leave a link in the description for yourselves to see. And it is, in my opinion, very different as compared to the original Rubik's Cube, the official product. Smooth. Yeah. Okay, we'll be back again for another video next time. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please drop in a comment. Thank you.